For maximum performance, hygiene, and to maintain function of your adult products from California Exotic Novelties, we recommend accessorizing your purchase with our high-quality lubricants, toy cleaners, and toy covers. Available in 8 and 3/10 and 4 and 2/10 fluid ounce sizes, our universal adult toy lubricant is the only lubricant you will ever need. Safe for all toys and materials, this special silicone-based formula is long-lasting and stays on in water. With superior lubricity for intimate contact, universal adult toy lubricant washes up easily with soap and water. Or, our antibacterial toy cleaner fights bacteria with Triclosan, an antibacterial ingredient. Sold in handy 4 and 3/10 fluid ounce bottles, antibacterial toy cleaner from California Exotic Novelties is also available with soothing aloe vera. When in use, keep your toys safe and clean with California Exotic Novelties brand toy covers. Sanitary sleeves made of the highest quality natural rubber latex and manufactured under ISO 9001 standards in a certified facility. These unique covers are made to fit small as well as larger toys, and they don't have a reservoir tip like a condom. And you may use the lube of your choice. Especially recommended for those who share their toys, and it increases the life of your toy. Each toy cover comes individually wrapped and is electronically tested to provide maximum protection. You may also enjoy our universal lube with aloe and vitamin E, long-lasting, silicone-based, water-resistant lube with soothing aloe vera and vitamin E, washes up easily with soap and water. Or California Exotic Novelties toy cleaner, and our high-quality unscented premium lube infused with relaxing chamomile and comfrey. Keep your toys safe and pure the way they were manufactured with hygienically superior cleaners, lubricants, and toy covers from California Exotic Novelties.